Hi, my fabulous YouTubers. So I am here today because I made a pretty rocking TikTok video and I wanted to go into full detail here on YouTube. So what I did was I took a natural level, she's about a 5 or 6, dark to light brown, okay? She's never had any hair color. This is completely virgin hair. And I used bleach and I did 3 different test strands, okay? I did 10 volume, 30 volume, and 40 volume, okay? The 10 and the 40 actually came out the best. The 30 volume still had a lot of warmth to it, but the 40 had damaged the hair a little. So 10 volume bleach was perfect. I left it on for 1 full hour, no heat, and in a foil, okay? So I was able to get this brightness easily with 10 volume versus 30 or 40, which didn't do that great. I mean, they did okay, but 10 was just fine. And it kept the integrity of the hair, which was super important. Well, then I took it a step further, right? I put purple shampoo on it and I left those 3 strands overnight to see what would take the best. Guess what, guys? The 10 volume took the absolute best. So when I did that bleach in 10 volume and it came up kind of a little bit still warm, of course, I put that purple shampoo and we've got a really nice ashy blonde. Guess what? I did that to the 30 volume and the 40 volume and it didn't do as good. Like, I don't know if you could see that well, but there's definitely spots that are warm and then there are spots that are super, super ashy, but it just doesn't look good. That was the 30 and this is the 40, same thing. So to me, on that same hair that was virgin, light brown, dark brown, level 5, 6, when I put the bleach in 10 volume and then put the purple shampoo on it, it turned out the absolute best. So the bottom line is, don't think that you have to put such a high developer in your bleach. So I'm talking to hairstylists, I'm talking to clients that do their hair at their home. 10 is enough and it's not as damaging. You're not gonna risk potentially frying your hair or damaging your hair, and I think that's super important for you guys to know, okay? There you go. Level 5 with bleach and 10 volume with purple shampoo was the absolute best outcome out of the 3 strands. Y'all have a beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. I'll have all the links below.